Today we are creating a really fun and dramatic effect, making your video appear in a newspaper layout. This is great for storytelling, mystery edits, crime scene visuals, or even humorous meme style posts. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on it to select. Now, go down to the effects button in the bottom toolbar. Next, choose video effects. And remember, in CapCut Mobile, video effects are applied directly onto your clip. From the category list, open the intro and outro tab. Here, look for an effect called dramatic news and tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see a newspaper frame appear around your video, making it look like your footage is part of a printed front page article. It comes with a dramatic pop in animation that enhances the storytelling feel. To fine tune the animation, tap on the effect again. You'll find a speed slider. Slide right to speed up the newspaper reveal. Slide left for a slower, more dramatic opening. You can also stretch or shorten the effect on the timeline to decide how long the newspaper frame stays visible. And that's it. You've successfully created a newspaper reveal effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for cinematic intros and storytelling edits. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tips.